Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Ifeanyichukwu Isaac here. I hope you're doing very good. Again, I want us to check into how to DIY by yourself some animation video, making use of a pre-made template made by Render Forest. When I talk about animation videos, by loading your own pre-recorded videos into this application to bring out some quality of cartoon-like features, we are going to make use of an application called Render Forest. Render Forest has already made templates where you can just load your own pre-recorded videos, your own choice videos made by yourself, already made templates, find in there, then you will just adjust that video. Beside that, there is another option where you can use to create your own tailor-made video animation without making use of the already template. So you have that option. Whether you want to do a whiteboard video animation, it's available, or you want to make use of a 3D video animation, it is already there. Both creating from scratch or making use of already made templates. Let's dive into it ASAP on the other side of my camera. We also have other video animation applications fashioned for this purpose, like VideoScribe, but just that VideoScribe, when it comes to watermark, it is more pronounced on VideoScribe, and VideoScribe is much more limited to whiteboard animation. But when it comes to Render Forest is a combination of whiteboard and a 3D video animation. You have choices, and then the whiteboard, after your production, you will download, you don't see much of the watermark on your downloaded video or work. So it's more advanced and more unique. It gives room for more features compared to VideoScribe. So we're going to make use of Render Forest in producing this animation video. Here is the application called Render Forest. We're going to click and open the application. We click once, okay, it brings us to this space. When you click on the template, it brings us to this particular space. When it brings us to this particular space, we click on Create Now. Create Now brings us to this very screen where we have add a scene or load a preset. We don't want to use a preset already made a format by Render Forest. We want to create our own unique video animation. Then we go for this add a scene. Following this space, so as to create our own unique video animation rather than making use of a loaded preset, we first of all arrange our script. Make sure that your script has been arranged, has been written, and step by step on how you wish your video to come out, how you want this application to bring out or load your scenes. Make sure it has been written and arranged step by step how you want to load it into the application. Let me introduce my screen to us. Here is edit. Everything you introduce onto the template, here is where you make adjust. You want to add text, you want to adjust or replace the video. You don't like the video the slide you introduced, you want to change it, you can click on edit. Then on style, the style is the kind of animation you wish your video to come out with. You have 1 or 2 or 3 options how you want your video animation to come out with, to give you your video the right flavor. You click on style and you can, from here in this space, you can choose the right animation which you want your video to come out with. Then color, we have a preset color, and we have where you can adjust the color of your video. You can do that right there. Then music, at the end of the day, you can choose the music of your choice. Add, music add more flavor, more interest, it make your video more attractive and more quality. Enhance the quality of your video. There are preloaded music sounds, or you can also download your own sound or upload your own sound if you don't like the sound, the music in this very space. But while using this Render Forest music, be mindful of copyright sanctions. It's always there. Then here we have this play icon. You can always preview your video, your scenes. You can preview it here. At the end of loading your script or your scenes, you can click here to preview the quality of video you've made. If there is need to adjustment or you don't like it, you can come here and close. At the end of every script or every scene, you can click here to close and return you back to the previous screen where you choose the next character or the next scene that depicts what you want to achieve, then it take you there. Also, while you are loading your scenes, make sure your eyes is on this counter, on this time. Make sure you are checking on the time so that the time doesn't exceed the required time. If not, it affects the loading of the slide. It has, each of them is timed, and you don't want to make a longer video than required. Here we click on add scene to bring us to this very particular space. Each of this, in this space we have casual make character. You choose the kind of character, these are preloaded scenes to depict what your script is about. You choose on each of this, like this casual make character. For instance, if you click on casual make character for inside, it brings you to this very space. You can choose what really will explain your video. The story is about man. You can type your text over here. Type your text here to explain what you want to say about the man. You know that here is this particular space. We have a man with public address. We want to say something. A man holding a speaker, a public address. You say what you want to, what the man is saying, or what the man is addressing the people on. You type your text on that. Here is a man on a bike, riding a bicycle. Explain, write what you want to depict about this man on a bicycle. We have other character, like we also have casual male character, casual male character, and casual female character. We have corporate female characters and corporate male character. Background animation, we have a corporate characters, healthcare background animation, problem situation background animation, sport and fitness background animation. All these things, when each of them you click, will give you various scenarios or various scripts to want to align with to tell your story with. In this space, I'm going to make use of text holder and image holder. Let me go click on text holder. Here is text holder. You click on text holder, it brings us to this particular space. Okay, bringing us to this particular space. Here are various scenes, various scripts you can use to tell your story. I'm going to make use of this very one. Text holder on the background. I will click on it to open. When I click on it, you add scene, add it. It brings you to this particular space. When it brings us to this particular space, we click on one. We click on this one twice to open. When it open, then we can add our text, or we can write our text. Here is only text. Add my text in there. Click on the text. It opens. I can write my text. What do you feel about our video contents? When you click on it, when you write your video, you click on done. You can see it, the text has been added here. While we place our eye, look at the timer here. 6 seconds is the time. And you look in this very space, they say it's 42 to not more than 42 to 132 characters. You must not go beyond 132 characters. That is talking about the text in there. So after adding the text, you click on close to return us back to previous screen where we add another scene. To add another scene, we click on the plus sign. We click on this plus sign to add scene. Will bring us to this previous screen. So I want to add image holder. This image holder, I'm going to click on image holder. Click on it. It opens. Look at here. In this particular space, you can it said hands holding a tablet and one image. This very one template. Hand holding a tablet with one image. So I'm going to use this one. To add an image. Type your text here. I would add a text here and I will add an image. I'll click on it. When I click on it, it will say add scene. I will add. I haven't added it. I will click on the two to open the page, to open the text box. And while doing it, our eye should be on the timer. You can see it's 8 seconds. What I want to add, the scene or the text I want to add should not go beyond 8 seconds. I will click on text field. Let me type, how is my photo like? We click on done. The text is added right there. the text is added here. Then to add the image, here, I click on image. It will bring me to this particular space. Or to say add image, you click on the plus sign to add image. It will take me to my gallery, my photo gallery. You say gallery. I'll click on gallery to take me to my photos, and it's opened. I'll look at my photos. I'll be making use of one of these photos to tell my story. Okay, let me use this. Here is my photo. If I feel like I don't like this particular picture, this particular photograph, I can click on replace here. And if I like to edit it, I can edit it here or fit it properly here. This doesn't really count much. So if I'm satisfied, I will just go ahead and click on close. I will close it here. My photo and my text will be added. That scene is perfected. So I'm going to end it here. I will just come back here. I'll just come back for further editing. Here I will come, if there is any need for adjustment, I will come on edit, click on the scene and come to edit. If I come to edit, it take me to the two scenes I've added. Then I will choose which one I want to edit. But I'm okay with the scene right now. Then I'm going to choose animation style. Here is where I choose my animation style. I click on it. I click on style to bring me. I have two options on this 3D and whiteboard animation. Either I want to take the first one or I want to take the second one. I will just leave it like if it's the second one that I wish to take, or the first one, handwriting with pencil, or this one, hand placing an image. I will choose the one handwriting with pencil, handwriting with ink. I will choose that one and leave it at that. Then color. I want to add a color, my own preferred color. I'll just click here. Color will display. This is a preset color. If I don't like the color, I will just click on this color, and then I will adjust the color a bit. If I want this color, or I can go back any of this color, any of this on this ray, I can adjust the color that is in there. If it's this one, if I prefer this one, I'll just go ahead and click on apply. Right there, the color is appear on my video. I will leave it at that. Then music. Do I want music to be playing on the background along with my video? I'll just click on the music icon. Bring me to this particular space. I have option of my video right now is on 14 seconds. So I'll just click on the video on the music icon here. Music icon, I will choose any of these preloaded videos. For instance, I will just see the sound. To see the sound of any of this music, I will just click here. It will be playing. It will continue to play on my to preview or to hear the sound of this. If I don't like it, I can just stop it and listen to the next one. I'll just choose music that go along with my video. So I think, let me see, Holy Ramadan. I think this one goes, the tune and the sound quality goes with my video. I will just stop it and click on the plus sign. I'll click on the plus sign here. It's 15. The music here is 15 seconds, and just like my video is 14 seconds, I will just click on the plus. I'll click on the plus. Then the music is being added. It's being loaded to my. It has been loaded. Or if I don't wish to add a music to my video, here in this space I can also add my voiceover, my own, whatever I want to say. Rather than adding preloaded music, I can do a voiceover and add it to my video. But I don't wish for a voiceover. I will just go ahead with what I have right now. The volume, I can reduce the volume of my music here. I can reduce it to as low as 30. I will just click on done. The volume of my sound music is okay. Then after that, I can just click on preview. After the app will preview my video and everything, every edit I've made, every plus or minus. After previewing it is set out. It will be downloaded for where I will then post it out. I'm going to let me play water. You can see, very interesting, very interesting, very interesting, very, very interesting. Okay, then I will go on preview. On preview, it will bring me to fast preview. We can't use the one with watermark, this very one. If you click on this, we have 3 options here. If you click on this is free download with watermark. But on this one, these are premium quality. If you're not on premium, you cannot download any of these options. That is, you download without watermark. But we are going to download with watermark. When you click on that, it will start the download process. The download process will start. Okay, I'm going to click on it. I'm having issue with space. The video has been previewed. We can now download it with watermark. Here, we'll click on download with watermark after the video has been previewed. Look at the preview of the video. What we have just created. You can look at it. This is the preview. But after the preview, like I said, we can't choose this. We can't choose any of these options. These options are for the premium subscription. So we cannot go for any of these options. But rather we'll go for download with watermark. The low free subscription. Here, after downloading, your work will come out with some logo of Render Forest. So I'm going to click on download with watermark. It has been downloaded to my video. Your video has finished downloading, as you can see written there. My video has finished downloading. That is the end of this. Welcome back to my screen. I hope that process was educative. It was interesting. I hope you were able to catch 1 or 2 tricks on how to DIY yourself video animations. You can, following that, be able to put 1 or 2 scene or scripts for yourselves. You making use of Render Forest. There are other animation applications that are available. Like I mentioned, there are still Video Scribe, but on that the watermark is more pronounced compared to this Render Forest. Render Forest will give you a wonderful picture, will give you a wonderful work with less watermark, less pronounced watermark. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is at Capcut United Services. At Capcut United Services. You can contact me on Facebook, Capcut United Services. You can reach me on TikTok at Capcut United. At Capcut United on TikTok. You can contact me, call me or WhatsApp me on 080 60282215. You can call me on 090 400 90 769. I will pray for your indulgence once again to comment, like and share this video. Let this video go viral. Let more people get to see this video. If you have learned 1 or 2 from this short video, this video animation, pass it on. Let somebody also learn how to do 1 or 2 by themselves. Like, use the comment box. Make use of the comment box. I'm expecting you to comment what you feel about this video. I know there are more rooms for improvement. Subsequent production. On my subsequent production, you will see the improvements you are asking about. I will improve. I will channel it. I will incorporate it in the next subsequent production. Thank you for watching.